Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the file is ready and the account is active. You must upload a clear MP3 or WAV and pick English or another language. This matters for accuracy. Once done, choose between human transcription for higher fidelity or automated for speed, then set turnaround preferences and add notes about speakers or timestamps. Make sure payment and billing are set. Without that, the order won't process. This first step gets your job into Rev's workflow quickly and correctly. After upload, you configure detailed options that affect output quality and cost. Choose human transcription for difficult audio or automated for faster, cheaper results. This trade-off influences edits needed later. Then add speaker labels, set timestamp intervals, and request verbatim or clean transcripts so the editor knows how to treat ums and false starts. Review the estimated price and delivery time, and confirm caption or subtitle formats if needed. These choices dictate the final file format and post-delivery workload. When Rev delivers, download the transcript and chosen formats immediately and open them in your editor. You should proofread for misheard words, fix speaker assignments, and verify timestamps align with video. This step prevents publishing errors. If captions require syncing, use a simple editor to shift timing or resegment lines. If you encounter issues like missing audio or inaccurate sections, contact Rev support with the job ID and specific timestamps so they can review and correct quickly. This often yields a fast resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.